Hi, I am Shiva. So let this session start with the user interface UI development. First of all, we have to know what is UI. So UI is the point of human computer interaction and communication in device. So this is device you take one user using this device and the communication in the device when he put one action, so another action is shown to his eyes. So this can be include display screens, keyboards, a mouse, and appearance of a desktop. It is also way to which a user interaction with application or website. I think all are know, so what is the application and website. So when we are using one mobile and one desktop, so mobile is look like and the screen and everything else, and this is the desktop, so which display the screen with applications, so many more applications in mobile. In coming to this desktop, the totally entire screen is website. So we are using some files, applications in mobiles and websites in these desktops. So what is the web applications? So first of all, already discussed UI, and next is web applications. Web application is nothing but the applications which will be provide services over the web are called web applications. So these web applications are provides services to users. So like we are users to interact with the computer desktop, so which provide the services to user, this called web applications. Example, the services which are gmail.com, facebook.com, and like more examples like Indian government, indian.government.in. So many more websites like this. So every web application, so in this desktop, every web applications contain both front end and next one is back end. So both front end and back end. So what is mean by front end? Let us know. So front end means it's represented user in seeing on the website. If we are see one website, that is the front end, which is appear to user. can develop the front end content by using following technologies. So we are seeing appear on the screen, which are developed from HTML. Means let we discuss these topics in next sessions. So just we have to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap. And another one is jQuery and Bootstrap are front-end technologies. These are advanced technologies, advanced front-end technologies, which is developed by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. So jQuery and Bootstraps are the very advanced. So then, what is HTML in a front end? Let we know. So what is HTML front end in the next session? So the first of all, just we remind once what is UI. User interface is a point of human computer interaction and communication in a device, which includes display screens, keyboards, mouse, and appearance of an desktop. It is also interacts with applications or website. This is called UI. So what is the web applications? Web application which will provide services over the web is called web applications like Gmail, Facebook. So coming to that, every web applications have two components. These are the components that are front end and back end. So what is mean by front end? It's represented what user is seeing in a website and can develop front-end content by using these technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and jQuery and Bootstraps are advanced but which are developed by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is about we covered what is UI and web applications and components. So next session we'll learn what is HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the next session. So if you are not subscribed my channel, if required this content, please subscribe my channel, and I upload more videos on web application, web development. Thank you.